Hello, good morning Philippines. Welcome to Angel Seafoods and Super Paluto. We have here lechon kawali, pork salpicao, dilato salad, talong salad. This is Aki. Tempura. Crispy hipon, crablet, tawilis, crispy tawilis, sinigang na ulo ng salmon, lapu-lapu pinangat sa kamatis, lechon paksiw, pork steak, pusit adobo, and of course, this is Angel Seafoods and Super Paluto. We have also hipon buttered and garlic, katuna bili,